Today, we're diving into an incredible topic: 10 ways nature solves problems better than humans. That's right, whether it's animals engineering their homes or plants coming up with clever chemical solutions, the natural world has been innovating long before we ever came along. And here's the best part: some of these natural solutions are inspiring real-world inventions. Trust me, you don't want to miss number 1, it might just blow your mind. Welcome to PlanetariHub, your go-to space for exploring the wonders of nature and sustainability. Before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe to PlanetariHub, and share this video with your fellow curious minds. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about bees, nature's most efficient architects. These tiny creatures create hexagonal honeycombs that are mathematically perfect. Why hexagons, you ask? It's because this shape uses the least material to hold the most honey while leaving no wasted space. It's a masterpiece of efficiency. In fact, humans only discovered this mathematical principle in the 19th century, but bees have been doing it for millions of years. Imagine if we could apply this design to our buildings or infrastructure. Think of the material and space we could save. Next time you see a honeycomb, remember, it's more than just a sweet treat, it's a marvel of engineering. Now, let's dive underwater and meet the octopus, the ultimate master of disguise. With specialized skin cells called chromatophores, these marine magicians can change their color, texture, and even reflect light to blend into their surroundings perfectly. But they don't stop there. Some species can mimic other animals, like flounders or lionfish, to confuse predators or prey. Scientists are trying to replicate this in military technology, but so far, nothing comes close to the octopus's natural stealth abilities. It's like having a built-in invisibility cloak, and it's 100% powered by biology. Incredible, right? Let's step into the forest, where trees and plants have been cooling the planet long before air conditioners were invented. Through a process called transpiration, plants release water vapor from their leaves, which cools the surrounding air. Think of it as nature's air conditioning system. This is why cities with more greenery feel cooler, even on the hottest days. Urban planners are now incorporating more green spaces to mimic this natural cooling effect and combat rising temperatures in urban areas. Nature's solutions are not just sustainable, they're life-saving. Have you ever been stuck in a traffic jam and thought, there must be a better way? Well, ants have already figured it out. These tiny creatures manage to move thousands of individuals through narrow trails without causing chaos. How? They use chemical signals called pheromones to communicate, ensuring that everyone stays in their lane and avoids bottlenecks. Scientists are studying ant behavior to design smarter traffic systems for humans. Imagine highways that work as seamlessly as an ant trail: no honking, no frustration, just smooth movement. That's the power of nature's problem solving. Did you know that spider silk is one of the strongest materials in the natural world? It's stronger than steel, tougher than Kevlar, and yet, it's incredibly lightweight and biodegradable. Spiders use this miracle material to build webs that can withstand strong winds and catch prey much larger than themselves. Scientists are now trying to replicate spider silk for various uses, from medical sutures to bulletproof clothing and even space exploration materials. Nature's engineering is once again ahead of the game, proving that sometimes, the simplest creatures have the most complex solutions. Dolphins are not just intelligent, they're playful innovators. Have you ever seen a dolphin create a perfect bubble ring underwater? These marine geniuses use bubble rings as toys and tools for hunting fish. By creating these rings, they manipulate water dynamics in ways that even our best engineers find fascinating. It's a mix of fun and function, proving that problem solving doesn't have to be all work and no play. Dolphins remind us that intelligence can be creative and joyful. Moving on to the savannah, termites might not seem impressive at first glance, but their architectural skills are nothing short of genius. Termite mounds are equipped with natural ventilation systems that regulate temperature and airflow, keeping the interior cool even in extreme heat. Engineers are now studying termite mounds to design energy-efficient buildings that stay comfortable without air conditioning. Who knew these tiny insects could inspire such big ideas? Fireflies light up the night with their magical glow, but did you know it's more than just a pretty display? Fireflies use bioluminescence to communicate, attract mates, and even warn predators. Scientists are studying this natural light for applications in medical imaging, sustainable lighting, and even deep-sea exploration. Fireflies remind us that sometimes, the smallest creatures can shine the brightest, literally. Let's dive back into the ocean to explore the genius of shark skin. Sharks may look sleek, but their skin is covered in microscopic ridges called dermal denticles, which reduce drag and prevent bacteria from sticking. This unique structure has inspired antibacterial surfaces used in hospitals, helping reduce infections without the need for harsh chemicals. Imagine a world where surfaces clean themselves, all thanks to the design of shark skin. It's yet another example of nature leading the way in innovation. Finally, let's talk about fungi and their incredible underground network, known as the mycelium. This network connects plants, allowing them to share nutrients, warn each other about pests, and even form alliances. It's like the internet, but for plants. Scientists are studying mycelium to improve agriculture, fight deforestation, and even develop sustainable materials. It's a reminder that nature's systems are interconnected in ways we're only beginning to understand. Nature is truly the ultimate problem solver, and we're just scratching the surface of what it can teach us. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe to PlanetariHub, and share it with your friends. Let's keep exploring, learning, and staying curious together. Until next time.